Here in number 9, we're going to take a look at this diagram and explain how we can show and explain why M and N have to be parallel with each other. And the first thing that you notice is that these two angles down here are the same degree measure. Well, since those lines are a linear pair, and the two angles within that linear pair are both equal, this has to be 90 and that has to be 90. That's the only way they can add up to 180. So what that tells us, if they're both 90-degree angles, is that this line, T, is also perpendicular to line N. So that's really the first step in explaining, and then we can say since N is perpendicular to T and M is also perpendicular to T, then those two lines must be parallel. They have to be. That's stated in this theorem that we've taken a look at, lines perpendicular to a transversal theorem, and you can look at that theorem in more detail, but it's what we just saw over here, that if two lines are perpendicular to the same line, they must be parallel with one another.